Welcome back, everybody. Just Mike here. Today we have something that's not a clock. It's my buddy. Let's see if we can fix him. Here's my buddy Woody. His problem is the cord won't go back in, and I don't know if we can fix it or not, but we're gonna try. Looks like it takes a battery. Let me get that open and we'll see. Besides the battery, the cord doesn't pull. So let's start out with the battery first, and then looks like we have some screws here we can take out and see what's going on. So those are stacked up in there. And I'm going to guess we're not going to deal with those right now. Because why replace them if we can't get him to... talk? Make that cord come out? Takes a Phillips head. I don't see my Phillips screwdriver right now. So I have a real teeny straight head, and it's coming out just fine. Let's see what happens. Need to get my magnifying glass. So I can't tell for sure. It's supposed to come out a little bit farther, and it's not. And I have a feeling, because this isn't going back in, that the spring came undone or whatever. So I'm going to take this screw out here so I can pull this mechanism out. It looks like the spring is sprung. And there's a piece that was on there. So let me figure this out to see if that ring that broke off actually belongs on here somewhere to hold it, to keep it to springing back in, which I'm sure that's what it is. And if so, I'm going to take one of the last loops and bend it out, and I'm guessing it would go around this post here. So I took the spring off. This is the end. I took, it's about a loop and a half, but a loop, bent it out, and I'm going to get it around there. Then I plan on winding up the spool and then hooking the spring here, this end, back on here, and then this should come in and out like it's supposed to. And because it's so small and my fingers are going to be in the way, that's what I'm going to do, but I can't show you. So I untied the ring, slide it out, because it's actually the only way you're going to get this wound up right, I guess is the way I'm going to put it. So now I'm planning on winding it back onto the spool up close, and then I plan on attaching this wheel in and then hook the spring on that little plastic thing there. So I got that wire back on, I got this string in, and now we're moving again. Kinda. Nope, it came and sprung there, so I got to figure that out a little bit more. But you notice right here, this little piece of metal, when this is spun, it touches this piece of metal here, and that's what causes him to talk. So this string, the only thing it's there for is to move just a little bit to bring that around to contact right there. I got it back in. I didn't screw it back together yet. I had this wound up, and every time I pull the spring or pull the string, I keep breaking off more and more of the spring. And so a kid may want to pull this more, but it just needs to be triggered.
Gotcha. Everyone, this is Forky. Trash? No, you're not going to the trash.
So I'm going to screw the screws back in, thread this through him again, and we'll see how it works out.
Oh, no, we can't stay. Okay, gotta get back. How do I get back? Operation Pull Toy. Hang on, little guy.
So Woody works again. Realistically, he needed a new spring. I can't find my spare springs that I got for clocks, and so I just shortened up the length of the string so you only pull so far, so it didn't put so much stress on the spring itself. And now he works.
Yeah, okay, all right, okay, that is enough.
So anyway, Woody and I will say, see you later.